Most people ask the same question before choosing an AI assistant. Which one is actually the best? ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? The answer depends on what you want to do. In this video, I'll compare all three based on coding, writing, research, reasoning, productivity, and everyday use so you can decide which one is right for you. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI assistants available today. It performs well in coding, content writing, brainstorming, learning, and everyday productivity. It can explain difficult concepts, generate code, summarize information, and help with creative tasks. If you're a beginner or someone who wants an all-round AI assistant, ChatGPT is a great place to start. The free version is excellent for daily use, while some advanced models and premium features are available through a paid subscription. Next is Claude. Claude is known for producing detailed, well-structured, and natural responses. It is especially good at understanding long documents, technical explanations, and programming tasks. Many developers prefer Claude because it often explains code more clearly and maintains context well during long conversations. If your work involves reading documentation, writing reports, or learning programming, Claude is an excellent choice. The free plan includes usage limits, especially during busy periods, but it still offers significant value. Now let's look at Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant and works well with Google's ecosystem. If you already use Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, or Sheets, Gemini integrates naturally into that workflow. It performs well for research, summarizing documents, answering questions, and general productivity. It also supports image understanding and other multimodal tasks. Some advanced capabilities require a paid plan, but the free version is useful for many everyday tasks. So which AI is the winner? For coding, Claude is my first choice because of its clear explanations and strong programming assistance. For everyday productivity, ChatGPT is the most balanced option with reliable performance across many different tasks. For students and users who depend on Google services, Gemini is the best fit thanks to its integration with Google's apps. If you're completely new to AI, start with ChatGPT. Once you're comfortable, try Claude for coding and technical work, and use Gemini if you spend most of your time in the Google ecosystem. The good news is that you don't have to choose just one. Each AI has different strengths, and using the right one for the right task can save you a lot of time and improve your results. I hope this comparison helped you decide which AI assistant fits your needs. If you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to Logic Vise, and turn on notifications for more. Also, let me know in the comments which AI assistant you use the most and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.